Model, 69-plate Volkswagen Crafter Startline 2.0TDI 140PS Luton box van spares or repairs 140PS Luton box van spares or repairs. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 124694. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 140PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. The engine is down on compression, it will need replacing or repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, tailift in working order, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.